What you see here is the first ever acceleration run done on the Mahindra Thar Diesel, both manual as well as automatic.
So AC off, and here we go for the 0 to 100 run. I'm still in the fourth gear. 140 in the fourth gear.
So as you saw, both the manual and automatic Thars are equally good in terms of acceleration.
So these are the in-gear speeds. The first is good for approximately 42, 43 at just under 5000 RPM. Second gear, this is 72, 73. Again, just under 5000 RPM. The third is a longer gear as compared to the other two gears, and we should be going comfortably over 100. Yep, this is 108, 109, 110, and RPM is slightly dropping now, so 111. And fourth gear, of course, I showed you, it goes all the way to 140 plus, and we did hit 160 in the fifth gear a while back. So that is the top speed of the Thar Diesel manual for you.